Projects. Projects is the most important element of Forex Tester 3. Project is a place where you can save all your settings to have an ability to have quick access to backtesting results. Most of the traders use projects when they have different strategies to test. To separate results and to simplify your backtesting, you can create different projects. There are 3 ways to create a new project. You can navigate to Project, New Project menu. Alternatively, you can click on the New Project button on the toolbar. At last, you can navigate to the File, New Project menu. After that, you need to define your project's name and to select the necessary amount of the initial deposit. Then click the Next button. Click the currency pairs you want to involve into this project. If you want to select all available currency pairs, then click the Select All button. To cancel selection, please click Deselect. To change the starting and ending dates, use the drop-down menus. In Forex Tester 2, you had to generate ticks manually. In the 3rd version, all this will be handled automatically while you create the project. There are 2 methods to generate ticks. The first one is to generate ticks by open, high, low, close points. If this option is chosen, each bar will contain 4 or fewer ticks, which corresponds to open, high, low, close values of the given bar. Less than 4 ticks are also possible. For example, if open is equal to high and close prices, then you'll have 2 ticks only. We recommend using this method of ticks generation because it's the fastest one and it provides with good testing quality. The second way is to generate ticks randomly by volume. If this option is selected, the number of ticks with 1 minute bar will be equal to the volume. Ticks will be distributed randomly within 1 bar. If you have access to the real tick data, and these data is downloaded into the program, then this information will be used instead of simulation when you generate ticks. In case when tick data are not available for some bar, ticks will be simulated using the selected method. All methods of ticks generation will produce absolutely the same bars on the chart. The difference between them is only in the price movement inside 1 minute bars. If real tick history was imported for a 1 minute bar, then it will be used. If not, then ticks will be generated using the method selected above for this bar. If you use the tick data with floating spread, then please check the Use Floating Spread checkbox. Click the Next button. All the data we provide is given in the GMT +0 time zone. In case if you want to adjust the data according to your time zone, then you need to use the scroll bar. If you need the data to be in the New York time zone, then select GMT -5 for this purpose. If you want to start testing from the first date and range, then leave the first radio button checked. If you want to define the starting point, then choose the second radio button. For the second option, you can preload any number of days by using the drag and drop method for the scroll bar, or selecting the necessary date using the calendar from the drop-down menu. At last, click the Create button. Forex Tester will generate ticks automatically, preload the data, and opens all the chosen charts. After you've created the project and tested your trading system, you should probably save the project. To save the project, you can navigate to the File, Save Project. If you need to save the current project under the same name, or File, Save Project As if you want to rename it. The same options are available in the project menu as well. Finally, the last and fastest way to save the project is to click on the Save Project button on the toolbar. To open the project, you can navigate to the File, Open Project, and select the project you want to open. Alternatively, you can navigate to the Project, Open Project menu. Finally, you can open the project by clicking on the Open Project button on the toolbar. Please note that opening and saving projects is only available in a registered version of the program. To restart the program, you can navigate to the Project, Restart Project menu, or you can open the project by clicking on the Restart Project button on the toolbar. Please note that if you choose the Restart Project option, then all of your trades will be removed, and you will start the testing from the first date in your project. To find out all the information about the current project, please navigate to the Project Info menu. The project information window contains useful data on the project's name, start and end testing date, initial deposit, ticks generation method, tick history, and floating spread availability, time zone, and symbols that are used in the project. To close the project, please go to Project menu and choose Close Project.